Hello everyone. Um, this is going to be my first video. I've never posted anything on YouTube or anything like that, so just bear with me, I guess. Um, I've also haven't bought any Pokemon cards or anything like that since I was, I don't know, 11 or 12 years old, so it's been quite a while. But yeah, I thought I'd just pick up one of these and just see what I get. It's a sealed tin. I don't know much about it, but I'm sure you guys would be able to enlighten me a little bit anyway. Just thought I'd open it and just let you guys see what I get. So, here we go. Okay, so first, so this is the card that came with it. I assume it's nothing too spectacular if you can just buy it right out of the tin, but there it is, a Charizard 180 HP basic. I guess nothing too special, I'm assuming. Okay, and not sure what that is, but I'll look at it after. And I've got 4 packs to open here. So, I don't know if it matters. Let's start here. Okay, so get one of these in every pack, I assume. So, an Electabuzz, a Trapinch, a Noibat. I think that's how you say it. Lickitung, a Bellsprout, this looks like it's called an Amura, maybe, but it's holographic. I don't know what that's called, if that's called a reverse hollow or what it is, but looks pretty cool anyway. Next one, a Breloom. Breloom, okay. Looks kind of cool anyway. An energy card, and a Pancham, and a Fighting Stadium. I really have no idea if anything's any good, so it would be awesome if you guys could let me know that. I think the only one I really recognize is a Lickitung and a Bellsprout, but the rest of them beats me. I don't know. So the next pack here, another Noibat, a Slakoth, maybe, like a sloth type thing. Poliwag, I remember that one. Another Lickitung. Makutia, I don't even know if that's right. an energy card, a Tornadus, a Clefable, Trainer, and a Hitmontop. Okay. To the next one. Okay. Pineco. A Buizel. Sentret. I don't know if I'm saying these right. A Spheal. A Scraggy. This is a holograph one again, a Floette. But it's shiny anyway. So I think it might be a reverse holograph. I don't know. Reverse holo, I think it might be called. But if I'm wrong, let me know. Next one is a Butterfree. A Maractus. Maybe that's right. A Metapod. And Love Disc. Is that right? Okay. So that was the holograph one I got there. Okay, last pack here. Got a Natu, a Swablu, Misdrevious, Snivy. This is a holographic Lucario, maybe, if I say that right. Tangrowth. And this is a very shiny Purloin. A Ursaring. A Crushing Hammer, an energy card, and another one of these. So I guess for the shiny ones basically are the Floette, Breloom, sorry. Shiny Purloin, Lucario maybe? That's the one that came with it. Charizard. And an Amura maybe? I'm not sure. Also this one doesn't seem too bad too. Anyways, that's what I got. Please let me know if I got anything decent, or if they're all crappy, let me know. And if you like these videos, I'd like to open some more, but if no one cares, then I won't do any. So just let me know if you like it either way. And yeah, thanks for watching.